Rezku is the most powerful bar POS. You'll get more productivity from your staff, find and recover lost profits from theft, and take control of your business. With Rezku, run your bar with fewer headaches and truly achieve your full potential. Bartenders love to use Rezku because it gets the job done and it gets out of the way. On a busy night, bartenders cherish the ability to find and close tabs almost instantly, even with hundreds of open tabs. Even green bartenders can make perfectly mixed drinks by using the drink library available in the menu. And happy hours run on schedule, automatically applying discounts to the qualifying drinks so bartenders don't have to remember. Rezku is hands down the easiest bar POS to use and train your team on. And now, we have something very special available. With Rezku, you can now get your own smartphone bar ordering app. And this is truly your app. Your colors, your logo, your photos. Speed up drink orders 60% per customer. Notify your customers of events, happy hours, and special offers. Build loyalty with perks and integrated rewards to create powerful incentives to get your patrons coming back again and again. This comprehensive app ordering experience for bars is exclusive to Rezku and now can be yours. We hope you're excited to learn more about Rezku for your bar. Contact us today to connect with one of our experts, and you can be up and running with Rezku POS in as little as 2 weeks. Call us at 844-697-3958 or email us at sales@rezku.com.